Hello friends, welcome to Tech Media, and in this lesson we are going to start on tutorials on Microsoft Excel. Now we were done with the Microsoft Excel beginner. We finished our tutorial on beginner. Now we are going to start on Microsoft Excel intermediate, and here is our first lesson. Today we have a lot information here, table here, whereby we do have our employees information, which is the employees ID. These are the numbers of the ID now, the last name, the employee's last name, first name, the department that they work, their email address, their phone extension, their location, their hire date, and their pay rate. Now you can see now we do have this quite information about our employees, Now we can change something a bit like that, so that we can see some different command groups in our table section here. Now you can see that we do have now you can change something. Our employees information, they are a bit crowded. You can see there is no spaces, there is no difference, you cannot differentiate anything. For example, if you scroll down here, you need to know what was this, for example, and you go back again, you see it says, oh, it was a location. Yes, now you will scroll down and you forgot what this was about, and you then scroll back, you can see, oh, it was period. Okay, so you can see it is very tiresome. Now you want to know what was this. Now you go back again, you can see, oh, it was a department. So we want to change it to something so that it can be readable. First of all, we need to differentiate these cells. You can see now they are back to back. You see they are following each other. So you can just click inside the cell, or you can just highlight down, but you can just tap on the Control A for all. Just select all your document there, and then you go to insert command, and you are in our command group tables. We do have table here. We need to add table. It says create a table to organize and analyze related data. Table makes it easy to sort, filter, and format data within a sheet. Now we need to analyze and organize our data. So you just click on this. Now it says that where it's the data for your table. Now it has highlighted for us. My table has headers, yes, and I just click on OK. Now you can see now we do have differently from our previous table. You can see now we have a date table. Now it looks very nice. You can see now it has been separated. You can see now our cells has different colors. From this one we do have dark. You can see now we do have, and also now we need to go back again to see it has locked our you can see our row here, which has our what we have, the phone extension and everything, our headers. You can see now we can go back, and now we can see that, oh, this was now phone extension, this was the building location, hide it. You can see now it has locked our yes. Now these the names and all of it, our headers. Now it has locked. Now you don't have to go back and again confirm what this was, because you know you do have this is the period. Now you can see that this is the pay rate, this is the hire date. You see it has made our work very easy. And in our table design, we do have this table style option, the command group table style option. We do have different commands. You can see now header. If you just now it is on. If I just click that, it will. You can see now it has hidden our header row. Now you can just click it for it to appear. And now we can also have the banded rows. If I just click that, we will no longer have the banded rows. You can see now I need to click, so that this first row now it has been designed in a bit differently from the rest. Now the last also can be designed, and also this one is banded columns. First we had banded rows, now we have the banded columns. Let us have the banded plus there. And also now in the first row we do have you can click here Now you can see, now you can add this now filter. These are now filters. We will see it. We will see how filter works shortly. So don't worry. Now you can add all these commands. You can say sort from the smallest to the largest, sort largest to the smallest, sort color, everything. We will see how the filter works. Now you can close the filter if you don't like. So this is now how we do have. And also we do have the total row. If you click it, it will show you the total down there. You click, now you do have the total row here. You can see, yes. So it will also, if you click here, we will have now this was the sum. I think it was the sum. Yes, for $20. Yes. If you click down, you can have the average. You can see. You can click on the average. Now we do have $11.37. You can count how many numbers now. 37. Yes, you can see. So you can count numbers. You can show the maximum. You can see, you can show the sum. So we do have a different. So you can also, if you close it just like that, now it will not show it. Now that is now how we had our, and you can also now convert your tool in this command group of tools. You can convert your table to a range. You can remove a duplicate, summarize with pivot table. You can also insert slicer. You see, now use slicer to filter data visually. Now we will see it. Now you can also export. Yes, now this is how you can also, you also have these different styles. You can change style you want. You can also change. Yes, you can see now we do have different styles for our table. Yes. Now let us see it remain like this. Now this is how now our table now works. You can see. Yes, we have inserted different options and different command groups in our table, and now this is how now it appears. Now we will go to our next sheet, flash fill. Now in here in our flash fill, we do have the names, the first name. We do have this table here where we have some informations. Now it is likely to be same as the auto fill. Now we do have some names here. We need to have our first name here. We need to have our last name, and how we can do it. So you can just if you want to have your names here, maybe I want to name my first name here, which is Derek. It is Derek now. Maybe I will have just clicked all of them and I go to my, let me highlight them all, and I go to data, my data tab, and I go to this data tools command group, and this command now text to columns. Now it splits column into text. You can see this now the column we have. For example, you can separate a column of full names into separate names, which is the first, the last name. You can also choose how to split it up, fixed width or split of at each comma, period. You can see now you click on it. Now it will show you here. You can see. So yes, now we don't want to use this method. Yes, we just want to, we can also have you can just click onto that maybe, and also on this, in this section here, data, this data tab, we do have in this data tools, we do have also this one, which is says this is flash fill, automatically fills the value, enter a couple of names. If I click now, it's like that. Now it has entered all my first name. You can see. Yes, very precise. You can see now we do have the Derek, the Ruben, Brooks, Alphonse, Abdul. You can see all our first names, all the names for our first names. Now if you go to our last name, this is the last name. We do have the McMahon. Yes, McMahon. Now this is our last name. You can also now go and maybe you can control E. The shortcut to flash fill is control E. You can also check it here. Yes, you can. If you just click on control E, it will now fill all your last name. You can see we do have the Mahmoud, Perry, Hannah. All of our last name are just here. Now we want to have the last name, comma, the first name, the first initials maybe. So we do have the last name, which is McMahon. We do have also comma, uh, comma, the initial, the first initials, the first initials, which is Derek. Maybe we do have something like that. Now if I control E, now I click on control E, now we will have our, like just like that. You can see how easy it is. Yes, now this is how easy it is. Now also it also now knows the difference between the letters and also numbers. For example, in here we do have a letter AB. If I click on AB and I just control E, now it will only recognize letters. Yes, now the first one we have AB, you have XYZ followed by a number. You can see A, you do have an A. It will only now recognize the letters. And now for example here we enter these numbers 1290, 1293, just like that. And now we just enter control E. It will only recognize the numbers and not the letters. You can see now 1293, you do have a 73, 82, 57, 39, 24, 670. Now it has only recognized the numbers. And here, for example, now we do want only we do want the company name. For example, here we do have example. If I write example as the company name like that, and I just click control E, you can see now we do have the company name only and not the email address. Example, fake mail, sample, temp mail. Now this is now how we do our flash fill now works. Now we will go to our sorting sheet here. In our sorting sheet now we do have our employees ID, first name, last name. We do also have location, hire date, and the day of. Now in our here sorting, we can also do something about it. Like for example, we can sorting here we can come to our sort and filter command group. You can also you can change your names and the document that you have, sort it in our A to Z, lowest to highest. You can see maybe from Z to E. For example, we need to sort the first name from A to Z. We just click on there. You can see now it has started with Bob, and also yes. If we undo, you can see that John we need to also change the employee's ID. If you change if you alter the first name in the A to Z format, we will also need to highlight there and sort our employee's ID. Now you need to know that John now has a 10 or 1 ID, the employee's ID, John's ID number is 10 or 1. Now we need to just figure it out how it will line up with if you change. So now we can just click on A to Z. Now also now we need to change the employee's ID. Now if you go to the sort, now it has recognized that this is a number. Now it needs to say from the smallest to the largest, you see, and now we just change it like that. Now you can see that John now has it's yes, now that is how it was. It has changed, you can see. yes, and from the smallest to the largest. And also we need to sort maybe the font extension, maybe from the largest to the smallest, or from the smallest to the largest, just like that. Also the location here, from the largest or from the, and you can also sort a group of your document. Now you can go back, maybe let's say for example maybe last name here, and we go to this command of sort. Now you can just enter. You do have maybe I want to sort the location. Is it the location or whichever it is? Maybe I see the last name, and just click on last name, the cell, and here you can have cell values, cell color, font color, conditional formatting icon. Now let us just keep it as a cell values, maybe from Z to A, or from A to Z. Let me say A to Z, and I just click on OK. My last name has been sorted. Now if you come here on the day of, I want it starts from Sunday, Monday to Saturday. I want it to start from maybe I want it to start from Monday to Sunday, or something like that. I go to the sort command group, and I go to maybe day off here, my cell value, just like that. You can see maybe it says in the order it says A to Z. I don't want A to Z. I can say custom list. Now here we do have some list that our Microsoft has created for us, and maybe here now it starts from Sunday to Saturday, Sunday to Wednesday. Maybe we will click on that Sunday to Saturday, and just click on OK. Now it will start on Sunday to Saturday. That's now created it has sorted our data from Sunday to Saturday. You can see now how we can play around with the sorting function. So here now we go to our sorting function. Now we do have our sorting function here. We do have the region, the sales rep, the products is the units. We will have all of our information in here. We do have the same headers we have here. So we do have the region, the sales rep, the products. Now we want to transfer our and change something. We shall see. Now we will start with an equal sign and write the word sort. We want to sort is from here A2 to S7 to D7. All of this information here, we want to sort it. You see here we do have the array now is the for A2 to D7, and you will separate with a comma. Now the sort, now we do have the sort index. Now it says that what we want to sort, the column in which it is in. Maybe we want to sort the product. Now which column is it? Instead of saying column C, it wants an index which is a number here, an index which is a number. Maybe here maybe let's say in the A it is in the 1, 2, B is 2, C is 3, and D is 4, and we want to sort the column which is in the products, which is say in index. Now it is in column 3. We will write column 3, and we just say comma, and now the sort order. Let's say for example in ascending it says 1, you shall enter 1, and maybe if you want it from the descending order, you just write -1. And if I want it in ascending from the smallest, from in alphabetical order, I say I click on 1, that is ascending. If I want it in descending, I just click on -1. Now I just write the enter. Now I do have all of my information on here, and I have sorted my product here. You can see now I have sorted in the form of ascending order from the in ascending order. You see apple, apple, banana, grape, grape, pear. Maybe I want to sort east now. I will just double click and the region. Maybe let's say I want to. I will just click on the sort index. Let's say the region will be in sort index 1, and maybe it is in ascending order, just like that. I just enter. You can see ascending order. It has started with east, and all the others are following. And here maybe I do have this region. The sort index, I want it to be 2, and here I want it to be in descending order, which is negative 1. That's like that. You can see now I have now sorted my here cells and everything here. Now it is great. So now here is now our what we learned about creating tables, the flash fill. Now we have also gone how on the flash fill we have gone into the sorting and also the sorting function. Yes, now here today, and we have come to the end of our today's lesson. Until we meet again, have a great day. Thank you.